Tired of Microsoft constantly nudging you to use an account to log into your computer? Well, in this video, we'll break down how to bypass the Microsoft account sign-in on Windows 10 and regain control of your login experience. If you are installing Windows, when you reach the Microsoft account login screen, look for an option that says Offline Account. It's usually located in the bottom left corner, or sometimes it says Limited Experience Setup. Select that option. You'll then be prompted to create a local account. Enter your desired username and password. Remember this information, as you'll need it to log in later. If you already have Windows installed, go to the Start menu and click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. In the Settings window, select Accounts. In the Accounts menu, click on Sign-in Options on the left-hand side. Look for the Password section and click on Add if you don't have one set, or Change if you already have a password. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a local account password. Now, when you restart your computer, you will be able to log in using your local account. Enjoy your newfound privacy and control.